Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use a multimeter to test whether or not your dishwasher door lock is faulty and how to replace it if needed. You will know if your dishwasher door lock is faulty if it's not locking shut when you close it. However, before replacing the part, it's a good idea to test it first, just to make sure that the problem doesn't lie somewhere else in your appliance. This is where the multimeter comes in. Now, before we begin, it is important to note that the process might differ slightly depending on different makes and models. However, the steps should generally be similar. Before starting, it's helpful to understand what multimeters actually are. Multimeters are handy tools that can be used to measure the electrical resistance in a circuit. In simple terms, this means that they can be used to test electrical parts and components to determine whether or not they are working properly. If you don't own a multimeter, you can buy one from our website through a link in the description below. To test your dishwasher's door lock and replace it if needed, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of safety gloves, and of course a multimeter. Since you may also need a new door lock, we'll also include a link to where you can buy door locks in the description. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. First, you need to open the door of your dishwasher. Then you need to remove as many screws as needed at the top of the machine to access the door lock behind the control panel. Remember, it's really important to wear your safety gloves when you do this part, as the edges of the control panel may be sharp. Now, with the screws removed, you can go ahead and remove the control panel from the dishwasher. Next, you need to remove the two screws at the top holding the door lock in place to give us better access for the next step. Next, you need to remove the two electrical connections from the door lock terminals. Make a note of which colour wires go to which terminal. Now it's time to test the door lock with your multimeter. Before testing, make sure you have the multimeter switched on and move to the continuity setting, also known as the beeper setting. First, test the door lock with it free from the machine. Do this by placing the two probes onto the two door lock terminals that you removed the wires from earlier. At this point, there should be no reading. If your dishwasher provides a reading or makes a beeping noise, it means that the door lock needs replacing. There is a second test you can do now. If your door lock did not provide a reading, test it with the door lock in place like so. To test it out, as before, use your two probes onto your two terminals. At this point, the multimeter should beep and provide a reading. If there is no sound or reading, this also means the door lock needs replacing. Now it's time to buy your new door lock. Before buying your new door lock, you need to know your dishwasher's model number. This is so that you can get the correct part for your make and model. Now, if you're not sure what the model number is or where to find it, then check out our video on finding your dishwasher's model number here. Now it's time to reconnect the two wires to the door lock terminals. Old or new lock, depending on whether it needed replacing. Now put your door lock back into place and screw into position. With your door lock now in place, you can pop the control panel back into position and then refit your screws that you removed earlier. And there you have it, how to test the door lock on your dishwasher using a multimeter and how to replace it if needed. Now that your dishwasher is back in working order, it's a good idea to make sure that you're loading your dishwasher correctly. Our video on how to load your dishwasher correctly will teach you everything you need to know. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.